We're Bryce and Monkey. You know, a classic duo like Starsky and Hutch or Turner and Hooch. Okay, fine.
Like Matt Damon and Ben Affleck.
Hey, man, it's a whole new city. We can start taking out bad guys.
Atta boy, baby!
If anybody in New York can help us, it's my agent.
Eunice Jones, big fan. I've been watching your work. I have a job for you. Welcome to the majors, baby.
Let's make some money!
Look, all of humanity is about to be wiped off the face of the earth.
Calm down, I got an idea. I want my body and voice back.
48 hours of physical form.
Okay, yes, I made a deal with the devil. I know I've messed up in the past, but you have the chance to be heroes for once. Hey, kiddo.
Dad?
Wait. I've literally gone through hell to talk to you. I just want to make things right.
You want a drink?
I know we all kill people for a living, but we're also a family. And yes, a deeply flawed family.
Let's get violent!
Oh my god. Are these holes from a machine gun? I kinda love it.
Oh no.
Like father, like daughter.
Where is Monkey?
That's National Ass Whooping Day.
Incoming!
This monkey is kind of impressive.
I don't know. The suit, the sunglasses, feels a little gimmicky.
God, stop being so sensitive.